Hey, what's up guys, Davis here, and I want to show you guys how to set up the IR blaster on the new Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus here. So your IR blaster is located at the back of the device in the third camera ring here. That's where you find your IR blaster, and you can use it to control things like your TV, fridge, or air conditioner, whichever you want. And it's a very nice feature to have, and I want to show you guys how to set it up. So to start using it, you're going to just go to your quick settings panel here and click on this icon, this button at the very bottom. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to open your IR remote, infrared remote. And to add devices, you're going to click on this button at the bottom here, this blue button that has the plus icon in it. Just click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to ask you to select a device type. So depending on what you're trying to control, is it a TV, air cleaner, lamp, electric fan, or air conditioner? Whichever it is, just select the type. I guess I'm going to select the TV. And then from there, you just select the brand. Say Samsung. So at that point, you select whether the device is turned on or off, depending on what's happening in your situation. Like, is your device on or off? So you select, in my case it's on. I've selected on, say got it. And at this point, you're going to start testing using this button here, power. Depending on the device brand you've selected, it may be a different control. In this case it's power, but sometimes it's volume. I can't go through all of them, but yeah, in this case I'm going to just use a Samsung example where they're using power. So you're going to keep tapping on this and selecting yes or no until your device responds. Yeah, so as you can see, once I tap on this button, the IR blaster fires up right there. You can actually only see this through a camera, you can't see it with your plain eyes. Yeah, so as you can see, you keep tapping, and as you tap, it's going to ask you, is the device responding? And if your device starts responding, you can say yes, in which case it's going to allow you to save it. Or if it's not responding, you just say no, and it will keep on incrementing and changing frequencies until you can control. So tap again, and it's still, your device is not responding, you say no. Tap again until your device responds. Once it starts responding, you say yes, at which point it's going to allow you to save it, as you're going to see here. So it's going to ask you to also test the remote control. Yeah, you can go ahead and test that as well. Just keep tapping, and once the device is responsive, you say yes. Signal source, continue. Just keep tapping again until, if it's not responding, just say no, and continue tapping. It increments, then you say, is it responding? If it's responding, you say yes, which one is going to allow you to save it. So you just want to save the name that you want to use, be it Samsung, or you can say TV1 if you have multiple. Then it's going to allow you to control it just like that. So you can see here, you can press power, you can switch channels and stuff like that, select okay, go home or back, just like that, increase volume, and yeah, all that. As you can see, whichever I tap on causes the IR blaster to go off and blast. So yeah, that's how you set up your IR blaster. And you can also get this option of saving the IR remote as a shortcut on the display. So you can just say add to home screen. And as you can see here, it's now a shortcut that I can just tap on anytime I want to use whichever devices I've configured. Say TV1, just turn it on and use it normally, just like your remote. Yeah, so that's how you set up your IR blaster on the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.